24. If h of x is equal to f of x times g of x, what is h prime of 1? H prime of 1 is going to equal f of 1, g of 1, but the derivative of that, which is basically a product rule type of problem. So f times g prime, this is going to be using the product rule. We'll take the derivative of the first function, f prime. We'll leave the second one alone, so times g, plus we'll leave the first one alone, f, and then take the derivative of the second function, times g prime. So that's what's h, so that's going to equal h prime of 1. Now, f prime of 1, when x is 1, f prime of 1 will give us negative 2. G of 1 is 4 using the table. F of 1 is 3. G prime of 1 is negative 5. Negative 2 times 4, that's negative 8. 3 times negative 5, that's negative 15. Negative 8 minus 15 is negative 23. So that's going to be the answer for this particular problem.